I'm Jeff.
I'm James.
And this is Experimental Perception. Today, we're going to play with a vacuum cannon. You know what a vacuum cannon is?
No.
No idea. All right, well, we're going to take a ping pong ball. We're going to shove it down here. Maybe. There we go. Put some Mylar on each end. Close it in. Suck all the air out. And then when we pop the end, all of the air is going to rush in here and shoot that ping pong ball out.
Awesome.
Yeah? Now, this is about 2 foot long. How fast do you think it's going to shoot that ball out? Take a wild guess. You know, I mean, like a car driving 60 miles an hour.
100 miles an hour.
You think it'll go 100 miles an hour? That's a lot. That's only a 2 foot cannon. You think it'll go that fast?
Probably.
Think so? Well, let's set it up and let's find out.
All right.
All right. Let me find out. On. Take 2. Now that we know where the on switch is, which is right here. Ready? Charge it up. All right. We are at 28. Here we go. Count it down.
3, 2, 1.
Harder.
3, 2, 1.
I jumped. All right, here we go. Ready? It's funny. It's neat how time looks like it's completely stopped. Let me slow it down a little bit. Your face is like. All right. So we just launched that. What are your thoughts on how fast it's going to be?
It's a lot faster than 100 miles an hour.
So now that you've seen it in action, so what do you think?
400.
400. All right, Jane. I think it's going to be much less than that. I'm going to say 200. I'm going to say 200.
I would like to change my answer.
Oh, okay.
To 300.
To 300. All right. There we go. All right, let's charge this bad boy up and hit it again.
2, 1.
All right, there it is. So let's see. We have 2 foot here. Let's how many frames in the first foot? So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5. What do you think? 5.5. We said 5.5 frames.
2 hours later.
All right. So after some debating in math, we finally came out to 378 miles per hour. So you are much closer than I was with your first guess. Then the second one, which is actually quite impressive because this little tiny thing is going almost 400 miles an hour. That is amazing. But for now, I think we should let's see how much kinetic force this thing has. Let's shoot some things.
All right.
All right. So you ready to pop a balloon? You think it's got enough power to pop one?
100%.
100%. Yeah. Big explosion, little explosion. Think it's gonna go through the balloon?
Yeah. I think the water's just going to fall down, not really explode.
I think. Now this is my hunch. I think it's gonna hit it, and then all of the energy is gonna stop. So it's maybe go in about this far, and then I don't think it'll go through it. I think that's too much water there.
I think it's going to go so fast it's going to go through it and the water
Just sit there and fall down?
Yeah.
All right. Well, let's find out. Here we go. All right, charge it up.
3, 2, 1.
Let's go check it out on the high speed. Oh, how far did it go? Oh, it looked like it only made it about, 4 inches? 3 inches? And then it just stops, and then it's like this wave. This is just umbrella shape coming out. Oh, no, now you can see the ball. And the water just goes straight. Oh, it went off to the side. Did you see it? It didn't go
Yeah,
through.
it just bounced off the balloon.
It kind of bounced off and it's going off to the side.
And the wave comes towards it.
That was actually pretty good. That was actually pretty good. It's just like this huge. There's a solid wall of water right in the back. Just and now it starts to come down. Solid wall of water. It's still solid.
Yeah.
It's still a solid wall of water back there. It's still falling. There it goes. And now see the edge. There's the edge of the. Wow. That was amazing. It had like this perfect umbrella shape and it just stayed there. Do you think it'll go through a can?
No, well, yeah, because the can's empty. It has something in its way, really. It might not go all the way through the can.
I don't know. Let's find
It
out.
might go inside of it.
Let's find out. All right, here we go. Charging it up. And we're at 20.
Oh my god.
Count it down.
3, 2, 1.
When I was watching this, I saw you say 3, 2, 1, and the can was there, and then in my vision, it was just gone. The can was there, and I did not see where it went. It was just instantly disappeared. But I'm shocked that it did not blow up the can. But the ball came in, and it's like it was like a catcher's mitt. It looked like he caught the ball, and then it just took the ball and the can with it. What did you think? I mean, could you see it, or did it disappear on you?
I saw it go all the way down.
All right, where's the ball at? Wow, you can see it. It came in and smack, and then carried it off. Check it out. So what do you think we should do next? Go big? Go big or go home, right?
Yeah.
I think that'll do the trick. And plus, we can actually see the ball going down.
Yep.
Now we did a water balloon, which is pretty cool. We probably should do another water balloon just to compare the difference between the 2 foot versus a 10 foot or 8 foot. I think it's 8 foot. 2 foot versus 8 foot. Yeah, I think we should try a full can of soda and see if it'll go through a full. Out of all the videos I've seen, I've never seen them do a full can, only empty ones.
Yeah.
It might not go through. It might not have enough power to go through. So we'll definitely have to try that. What do you guys think? Let us know in the comments below if you'd like to see a specific experiment that you want us to see us try. And until then, thanks for watching.